Hope this one ain't a fail like the other one.
Flashback.
Don't buy this slime because this is very epic. This one is good. You can make it with the old ugly. It just don't make good slime. 2 times that.
End of flashback.
Let's get started. Step 1. Fill a cup with 90 milliliters of water and the packet. Use the mixing stick. Stir until all the water is absorbed. No! Wait a second.
Does it feel like snow?
Yes. Well, it's soft. Well, it's not cold. Well, it's soft snow. Well, it feels snowy. Fake snow. Step 2. Fill a second cup with 90 milliliters of hot water. And add a level 1 spoonful full of sodium. Divide, mix until completely dissolved. Then set aside. Okay? Now, let's do step 3. Fill a third cup of 100 milliliters of room temperature and add in 40 milliliters of clear glue. Mix through with the stick and set aside. You're doing paint? Oh, it's supposed to be food coloring. I want to stir. Blue's my favorite color, but I like dark blue. It's the same on my nails. Because this one has 2 off. We got a glue mixer. We got an activator mixer and in the snow. Take the sodium tetrabor solution from earlier and add 9 spoonfuls into the glue solution. 1, 2, 3. It's turning to slime. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. It's gonna take a long while. It's turning to slime. Yeah, I think this is gonna be your slime glue forms. I wanted to touch it. It formed! It formed! Ah! It's getting... Is he flopping? More! Whoa! It feels good like regular slime. It feels like regular slime.
Snow time!
Now let's do it. Now let's do it. This is gonna be great. It's gonna be cloudy. It's gonna be cloudy slime. It's gonna be fluffy or cloudy. I don't know. This was the easiest slime. Doesn't feel like regular slime anymore. It feels like cloud. It looks like it ate. We finally did